It's going to slowly climb to about 2,500 feet, where it's going to do a series of low speed, high speed tests just to make sure there's full maneuverability that the pilot's expecting. Then it should be coming down to about 1,000 feet, doing a few more runs. Overall, it should be around a 30-minute from takeoff to landing. And it'll be flying around the Moses Lake Airport, which is if you look up on Google Maps, is an enormous airport. Used to be, if I recall, an alternate for the space shuttle. And there it is, being chased by the little Cessna behind it, and now it's continuing its climb to 2,500 feet.